Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Arjun and I welcome you to my YouTube channel.
One, two, three, funky.
In today's video, as you can see, we are in my garden and I'm going to show you 5 very easy plants that can be easily propagated using cutting. On the first place, we have money plant. As you may probably see, I just love money plant. I am loving money plant everywhere. You can see over here. And even more, you can find countless number of money plants in my house. I love money plant. So I'm going to show you very easy way to propagate money plant. To take a proper cutting, we need to see that our cutting consists of more than one node. So the node area is the point where there is a leaf and a root. These are aerial root which helps in water absorption, but then these will turn into roots later on. So we have to remember that we take the cutting right below the aerial node. So this is our one cutting. We can either put this in water and grow this as one singular plant, or we can cut single nodes and grow them as individual plants. Now there is one thing to be noted, that when you grow a cutting in water, the roots grow relatively faster, and to grow the buds and leaf it will take a little while, whereas if you grow the cutting in soil, the roots take a little longer to form, but the growth is quicker and more prominent than water. If you're going to use a single plant or a single cutting like this, always make sure you remove the two end leaves or the two nodes, at least two nodes you remove, and then you dip the two nodes into a glass of water or any place of water according to your choice. So these, as you can see, have a very nice aerial root, so it will grow very quickly. But then in case there are no aerial roots at any cost, then also it will root in 15 days. And with the singular one, you just dip them into water like this, and always make sure you do not put any extra stem with it, because then it will become soggy and there is a chance of the plant dying. So it's better to keep it limited. Now these are some cuttings that I put around 15 to 20 days back, and I will like to show you their root. So like, they are pretty much heavily rooted and they can be transplanted in a, even the single node ones or the long stems does well in water. The second plant on our list is arrowhead plant or syngonium. These are also very easy to propagate and they are same like money plant. You can see these are cutting also I planted around 15 days back and 15 to 20 days back, and it is nicely rooted. You can even propagate them using the single node method. These were a time back, like these were here for quite a while. I'll have to repot them, but they grow well in water as well. On the third number, we have snake plant. Snake plant is a hardy plant. It does not need any care. If you are absolute beginner, this plant is best for you. So for the snake plant, we take a cutting right from the base. Right from the base, we snip a cutting like this, and you can put this directly into glass of water, or you can cut small pieces according to your wish length and you can propagate it. So I'm going to put this one directly into the glass of water that we just made. So this will also grow around in 15 to 20 days. Small roots will be starting, but you will not see new growth till around 2 to 3 months, because this takes a little while to grow. So here is one that I grew a while back. So this has been 1 month, one 1.5 months probably, and as you can see, there is a new shoot growing to it. So it will take time, but it will. The fourth plant is Brahma Kamal or Biophyllum. For this, you need to use soil. You need to pot this in soil. You need to take a cutting where at least you see one node area. Now these are very easy to grow, so anyway from here or even from there a cutting will grow healthy and nicely. So I will not show you this now, I'll show it in the next or some another video. But this is also a very nice hardy plant. It does not require much care and grows super healthy, and it gives big white flower. I'll pop up photos on the screen right here or here somewhere. On the fifth place or fifth plant we are going to propagate is Echeveria. Now I have kept this plant on the last because it is a succulent, and by which I mean that they store water in their leaves. So that if by any chance you water them high, that is you give them more water, they are gonna die. So these are very typical, like if you are good at it then only you are good at it. Like I have killed 2 succulent plants, but then now I got the chance, I got the hand on it, so like I'm pretty good on it now, at least till now. Hope so it will grow. So these are also very easy to propagate. Get me, these are easy to propagate, but these are hard to maintain. So I have put this on 5th place. So for propagation, what you do is you simply twist around in the area and you remove a leaf like this, and you simply put it right here in the pot, and it will grow. Like as you can see, I have already put 2 leaves and it has already grown. So even this will catch up root. These will first catch up roots, and then it will catch up and then it will turn into a small plant, and after it turns into a plant, the leaf will dry up. That is it for today, guys. Hope so you liked my video or you enjoyed watching my video. If you enjoyed watching my video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And this was just a sneak peek of my garden. More garden vlogs will come, so get ready for that as well. And like, share and subscribe.